Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites so the web server runs smoothly. Install Python 3.8 or later and pip, then install Jupyter via pip. This ensures compatibility. Once done, pick the project folder where your notebooks will live and open a terminal there. Run Jupyter Notebook or Jupyter Lab to launch the server. This opens a browser interface and creates a session token for secure access. Make sure your firewall allows the local port so you can connect from the browser. You'll create and run content in the browser. Click New Python 3 to make a notebook and name it to keep organized. Use code cells for execution and markdown cells for explanations. Press Shift+Enter to run a cell and move on. Once you work with packages, choose the kernel tied to your virtual environment so imports resolve. If a cell hangs, interrupt or restart the kernel. This preserves progress while clearing stuck processes and makes reproducibility easier when you reopen the notebook later. You'll finish by saving and sharing your work reliably. Use File Save and Checkpoint or rely on autosave, then export as IPINB or HTML for collaborators. For reproducible results, include a requirements, TXT or environment, IML so others can recreate the kernel. If the server fails to start, check which port is in use, ensure the token or password matches the browser link, and confirm your path and Python environment are correct. Adjusting these items usually resolves startup errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.